It's Crispina. I'm driving back to the studio after a nice little break from my usual daily grind. I was spending the last 5 or 6 days in Maine at this amazing, cool little, well, it's not really that little. It's called Maine Fiber College, and it's up in Searsport, which is just really a beautiful place. And it was amazing group of people from all over the Northeast, and some people from farther flung than that, all who were interested in learning more about different kinds of textile arts. So I taught a sweater chop shop, I did a community potholder rug weave, and I also taught a potholder rug workshop. So it was super awesome, and I had a really good time, and I made some really good friends, and I'm really excited to talk to you more about it. And we, at the community rug weave, we made a 5 by 7 foot rug, and everybody there worked on it and brought material to contribute. So that will be a feature on my blog coming up this week, so you can learn more about how you can buy a raffle ticket for $10 to win a beautiful 5 by 7 foot rug. And also, I was just wondering, if you guys are out there in Facebook land and you have a chance, would you please give my page a review? I've had some kind of weird reviews come in from people who I don't know and I've never done business with, and it kind of affects my score. So if you guys have a moment just to pop in and leave a few words, let me know what you think, what you might like to see more of here. That would be super helpful. And I'm really looking forward to a great week. I'm really looking forward to being back in the studio. I'm driving back now, so if there's not a lot of eye contact on the video, it's because I'm carefully watching the road. And I'm looking forward to talking to you more about what was going on up there at Maine Fiber College, and talk to you more also about other opportunities to come and learn with me. So here's to a really great week, and it's sweater weather. That's our weekly theme this week, so it's my favorite time of year. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow at 11. Thanks for tuning in.